a sharing of 2 acceleration points. One can double the generation speed of HunyuanVideo's, and the other can boost the generation speed of the FLUX model by 1.5 to 3 times. First, we look at the relevant nodes for the HunyuanVideo, mainly replacing the sampler. Here, I chose to double the speed and increase the step count to 30 steps. So originally my workflow had 20 steps. With double the speed, it became 30 steps, an increase of 10 steps. Compared to the original process, the acceleration should be 1.5 times. But I think this result is almost lossless. I integrated these 2 workflows into the previous suite. Navigate to RunningHub AI, or click the link in the description to register and get 12 gigabytes and log in daily to receive 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. This is the open source address for this plugin node. We're using technology from TK10 and also referencing another project. This will mention reduced image quality and dynamic effects, which is exactly right. When we keep the default speed at 20 steps with double acceleration, you will get poor results, but if you increase the step size at this point, the outcome will tend to be better. When we kept the initial 20 steps and accelerated by 1.6 times, the result was acceptable. In the end, I leaned towards the 30-step version with double the speed. In terms of the outcome of this video, I think the loss in image quality is minimal, and it's a very dynamic scene. For acceleration like TeaCache, I've also captured another point here. I am the result of blurring in the video. I will upscale the video to video, making the face clearly visible and more detailed. If you input the original video here and perform an enlargement while using the TeaCache, I think this TK acceleration will be completely free with no loss at all. Another one is WaveSpeed, which is also an acceleration feature applicable to the FLUX model, LTX video, and HunyuanVideo. The speed can be increased by 1.5 to 3 times. Looking at the workflow now, it seems to support only the FLUX model. Here there are 2 images, and you can see that the processing speed has been increased by more than double. It might also be trying to convey that the loss in quality is minimal. So I tried installing it, and indeed it boosted the speed by 1.5 times, so the description that it's half the quality is completely accurate. The installation is somewhat complicated, but it can serve as a reference. But TeaCache is very simple. Everyone can try it out. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models such as V2, Kling, and Wanxiang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.